welcome all of you here to Pools and Theatre for High Flyers. Thank you. Well, this morning we're going to take all of you on a flight and journey through the wonderful and colorful world of birds. We hope that you will leave the show feeling amazed by our bird conservation champions and be inspired to help our feathered friends across the world. Speaking of feathered friends, some of you are pointing, chicken, chicken. Is he still on stage? Yes? Oh, he disappeared already. That's Charlie, by the way. Yeah, Charlie is our bantam rooster. Bantam chickens are in fact a smaller breed of chickens. We actually have one more rooster waiting very patiently to join us. Charlie's brother, Chucky. Yes, okay, you want to meet Chucky? Alright, okay, everyone, if you're ready, keep your eyes at that hut. Let's welcome Chucky, our other bantam rooster. Oh, he kicked the door open. Good morning, Chucky. Oh, look, lots of people here on a Friday morning. Would you like to join me on stage? Oh, okay, ready? Oh, here he comes. Well done, let's give Chucky a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. Some people think chickens cannot fly. Chucky here has proven otherwise. Yeah? That was very good. Okay, so he loves his worms. That's what I'm giving him right now. Right over here. One last one. That's a good drop. Okay, so in fact, Chucky is going to fly back home, just in case you missed that earlier on, okay? Right, Chucky, that shelter is waiting for you. Ta-ta! Wow! Thank you very much, Chucky. Let's continue the show right now by highlighting the natural behaviors of macaws. In the wild, macaws, they love to congregate on trees to feast on fruits and nuts. We've attached some rewards on this tree. Let's welcome the parrot, shall we? Everyone, if you're all set, look right back there. Wow. This is Adrian, by the way. Adrian is our beautiful scarlet macaw. If you want to find out about other species of parrots after the show, do visit Parrot Paradise. So what happens after feasting? Parrots like in the wild, they will go to rocky surfaces like these, for example. Now this is where they would take up chalk or clay, and that would actually help them with the digestion of any unripe fruits or nuts that they have eaten. Wow! Looks like Adrian enjoyed a new sport, and this is definitely his next stop. Oh, nice. Nice music. Hi, Mitra, who's that with you?
Hello everyone, so right here with me I have Ippy. Ippy here is a scarlet macaw, and Ippy is also Jurong Bird Park's Go Green for Wildlife Ambassador.
Wow.
And did you know that if Ippy sees litter lying around, he would actually pick them up and throw it into bins.
This I have to see for myself. Everyone, I have different kinds of recyclables, paper, metal, and plastic.
We came prepared as well because right here I have 3 kinds of bins. One for paper, one for metal, and the last one for plastic.
Perfect. Let's watch Ippy in action, shall we? Ippy, come on.
You know what to do, right?
Let's go. Come on, Ippy. He starts with paper.
That's 2 more to go. Okay, last one shouldn't be a problem. It's plastic bottle.
She's very smart, Mitra, very smart. Oh, I spoke too soon. I don't think it's tall enough to reach the bin, Mitra.
It's okay because parrots like Ippy are actually very smart. They know how to use tools. I have a stool. Pass it to see. Pass it to him, see what he does.
Okay, sure. Ippy, this is your stool. Oh, he turns it around. I'm going to give him the bottle again, okay? Let's watch what he does now.
Look at that. He stacks on the stool and he recycles. Well done, Ippy. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, did you know that plastics has invaded our lives to the extent that it has killed millions of birds and animals every single year? Plastics that around in our animals' habitat can be very harmful, especially when they get entangled in them and they can even consume them, and that's very dangerous. Okay, and that is why plastics are known as the deadliest monsters.
Deadliest monsters indeed. But if a parrot like EP can learn to recycle, I'm sure we can do likewise. So everyone, let's bin our litter scrap to help save wildlife and fight the deadliest monsters together. Having said that, thank you very much, Rindra and EP. Alright, you might not have noticed, but the rain has just started coming down. So like I told you early on, I'll be speaking a little bit fast so that we can get more birds out. Thank you very much for your understanding. The next bird joining me on stage is also going to be a scarlet macaw. His name is Scar, Ippy's best friend. Scar, would you like to join me? Wow, sure. Let me check. Are you Scar? Yes? Yes. Now in the Jurong Bird Park, we give our birds fun activities to do, just like what they do in the wild, and that is called enrichment. So I have a walnut with me. I'm not going to give it to Scar just like that. I'm going to place it into the pail, okay? Let's see how Scar is going to get to that pail. I think he saw the walnut. How do you think he's going to get to his favorite nut? Fly to the pail? Climb the rope? Okay, let's watch it. Go to your nut. And the nut is here, Scar. Oh. He did not fly to the pail. Instead, he flew to a higher, stable perch. And what he's doing right now is he's pulling the rope closer. Look, he's pulling the pail closer to him and shortening the rope with every pull. Yes, he got it, everyone! Isn't that smart? Well, scientists have said that parrots like them has the intelligence level of a 3 to 4-year-old child and are capable of solving simple puzzles. Sky is bred and raised right here in the Jurong Bird Park, and if you want to meet baby parrots, go visit the Breeding and Research Center. You're done? Okay, I think he wants to get out of the rain. Can we get started, ladies and gentlemen? It's time for you to head that computerize that. Come. Thank you very much. What differentiates parrots from other animals is the ability to copy sounds. In the wild, they do that as a form of social communication. On stage is a yellow-necked Amazon parrot, and he's going to do some mimicking for us this morning. Are you ready, little parrot? Want to say hello? Hello. Tell them your name. Amigo. Did you catch that? His name is Amigo. One more time. Your name? Amigo. Amigo has a very cheerful voice. Amigo, how else can you greet all these nice people? How are you? How are you feeling today? Good? Very nice to hear. Now, Amigo here is going to show off by counting from 1 to 10. Okay, everyone, listen. Amigo, count in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Music. In the rain. I recognize this parrot. Ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, let me introduce you, Big John. Yes, the Big John here deserves a round of applause because he's one of the veterans of this department. Believe it or not, he's more than 50 years old. Yes, 50, not 15. 50. Oh, Big John. Okay, Big John. Would you like to say hello? Hello. Aww. Very nice voice for a 50-year-old bird. Yes, he's actually retired, but sometimes he still comes up for the show so that you can take pictures, okay? In the meantime, I have to get back to Amigo. We're not done with counting it. So as long as you stay here on stage, quietly, you're fine, okay? Oh, what's that? Oh, that's a mechanical bird. Big John. Did you see the crest? Yeah, he's a sulfur crested cockatoo and sulfur is yellow. So that's how these birds get their name, sulfur crested cockatoo. Good boy, Big John. Amigo is going to continue counting for us from 1 to 10. In Chinese.
2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。
很好。Amigo, that was so noisy. People up there, can you hear him? He doesn't even need a microphone. So that's how loud cockatoos can be. Can you imagine having one as a pet? Your neighbors will complain and you'll probably lose your sleep, right? You want some attention, right? Okay, besides saying hello, what can you say? Oh, yes. He has learned 5 limits. Hello, cough, laugh, chicken, and bye-bye. Let me try my luck with the others, okay? You'll say hello again. Say hello. Say hello. Okay, you said hello already. How about your cough? Cough. Very realistic cough. How about your laugh? Laugh. Bye-bye. How about your chicken? No, that's a cough. Okay. You stay here quietly, alright? Or else I have to send you back home because you're very distracting. One more scream and you go back home. Okay? Yeah, I think it says okay. Amigo is going to continue by singing now. The first song is a local children's song that goes by the title 客人来. 客人来 means a guest comes to visit. 客人来看爸爸. Big John. Sing in Mandarin.
客人来看爸爸，爸爸不在了，我客人知道了，在
客人来 by Amigo, word for word. Good boy, Big John. You actually stay quiet. Let me give you a little treat, shall we? Right here. Good boy, thank you. Second song originates from Indonesia, Rasa Sayang. You know the song? Rasa means feel, sayang means love. Okay, so Amigo, Rasa Sayang. Okay. Last but not least, an English song. But before he sings, this song is for all who are celebrating your birthdays today. Yeah, so are we all set? That's right. Birthday people, cameras, videos, all on Amigo. Let's do this.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you from Amigo. But I do have to remind everyone that Amigo here is 1 in a million. It takes years of dedication and lots of hard work to do what he did earlier on. Imagine the disappointment of some parrot owners if they were to end up with a parrot like Big John, who's either extremely loud or very quiet. Okay, so do consider carefully before you go and get yourself a pet parrot. I think these birds have done a wonderful job. Big John, before you go, can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. He does it. Bye-bye. He wants to hold the microphone. Okay, can everyone mention the bye-bye, Amigo?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Let's give them a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. So once again, let me emphasize that parrots need a lot of care and commitment. Certain species of parrots are even known to outlive us. So please think twice, if not thrice, before getting yourself your very own pet parrot. The next 2 birds will be flying low above some of your heads. So once again, for your safety and the safety of the birds, please remain seated. Thank you. Next two birds joining me will be showing off the nesting behavior of hornbills. Keep your eyes right at that corner. Let's welcome Vicky, our great pie. Great white hornbills are in fact one of the largest flying hornbills that you can find in this region. I'll be coming closer to some of you. Remain seated, minimal movement. Wow, isn't that cool? Alright, so while in the female hornbill's nest, they will look for holes or even cavities in trees. If you look over there, we have a hut with a nest box. Now that nest box is similar to what we give our hornbills to nest right here in the Jurong Bird Park. People over here, thank you for waiting. Okay, minimal movement and no flash, okay? Can you hear that? That's the vocalization of a great pie hornbill. Okay, you have to clear the path. I'll be making my way up, okay? Wow. I'm going to make my way up because I want to bring her closer to the nest box so that she can check it out. Okay? Look at that. Alright, so I'm going to sit down, hands down. 手放下来，谢谢。A little hop to the right, Vicky. She's inspecting the interior of the nest box right now, and only if she likes it, then she will hop right in. Okay, we'll give her a few moments to decide. Oh, she went in already. So what happens? Female hornbills will seal themselves inside the nest. In the wild, they use materials like soil, regurgitated food, and even her own droppings. The hole will only be big enough for her beak to stick out. Vicky, if you like the nest, you can seal it up now. Oh, are you still in there? Oh, there she is. Everyone, if you're all set, keep your eyes right back there. Let's welcome Sunny. Sunny here is Jurong Bird Park's animal icon, the male red-eyed hornbill. So this is what happens. The female stays inside. The male has the responsibility to feed her, and this will take place for 3, sometimes up to 4 months. That was very close about some of your heads. Quite cool, isn't it? And the bird park has been successful in breeding oriental pied hornbills using nest boxes just like these. And thanks to the contributions to the conservation fund, we have released some of them into nature reserves and even here in the park itself. So when you're walking around the park, keep your eyes open, you just might be lucky enough to spot some free-flying oriental pied hornbills. Real? You hear the call, Sunny? Okay, so people in this flight park, we are in luck, okay? So watch out for his huge wingspan. Sunny! Are you all set? Shahra is waiting for you. Here he comes. Whoa! And... He didn't land! It's like take 2. Wow! A more beautiful flight this time. Our hornbills, everyone! Parrots are also known to gather fruits for their young, especially during nesting season. So in a very short while, 2 parrots will be joining me on stage, and all of you are the supporters, okay? Since you're out here first, people on this side, all the way to the top, and to my left, you'll be showing support for Barry. Yeah, Barry is the name you try as a trainer. So Barry here is the green wing macaw. All I need you to do is to clap your hands and cheer the parrot on. Go, Barry, Barry, Barry. How was that? Oh, she says very good. Okay, so people on this side. Yes, all the way to the top and to my left. Just in time. Who's that? Cocky here is our scarlet macaw. You clap, but of course you go. Cocky! 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 Shire is louder than all of you. Remember, you have to cheer louder because the louder you cheer, the faster the parrots are going to run. We have a hollow tree trunk, and each parrot has to bring home 4 fruits each. How's the angle? How's the angle? Okay, right, so ready? Everyone get ready to cheer up. Let's ready, let's go! The winner is Poppy! Well done! Oh, guess what happened to Barry? You're going home, which is very sad. What happened there? Just warming up. But that was the actual game, right? Oh, she's giving excuses. So, one more? If you want one more game, give me 2 thumbs up. Oh, almost all. Alright. Okay. Very supporters, you have to cheer louder, okay? Alright, now, 4 foots once again. Coffee supporters, keep up the good work. Birds ready? Let's go! This time the winner is very close. We have a draw. I think both birds and trainers did a wonderful job. A big hand for them, ladies and gentlemen. Our food collecting McCall. Thank you. And with that, also come to the grand finale, everyone. But please don't go anywhere just yet. I'm sure the birds have amazed you this morning. Some of them may have even made you laugh. But please do not forget the bird conservation champions we have met today. Now we can all help them by making sure that the paper or wood that we buy comes from recycled sources. And in fact, you and I, we have the power to choose what we buy. So together, let us make a right choice and make a difference for all our feathered friends today. Well, looks like we are all set to go. Ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, for our grand finale, there will be more birds joining us on stage. Let's get started. First up from Africa, our great white pelicans. From the land down under, our Australian pelicans, everyone. All the way from Eastern Europe, here comes our Dalmatian pelicans. Back to Africa, the birds with their beautiful legs, our greater flamingos. Last but not least, let's color the skies with a beautiful fly past of parrots. Look up there and there. And there you have it, our beautiful birds on stage. Can we give them a big hand, everyone? And then we come to the end of the show. Certainly, we all enjoyed it as much as I have been presenting it to you. Now, the birds will be staying on stage. You can come down and take pictures, but please do not touch them, as these birds are trained, but they are not tamed. On behalf of everyone here, continue to have a wonderful day. Before you leave, remember to look around you and take all your belongings with you. Thank you and goodbye.